Show you how this radiator support mounts, and the radiator mounts to the radiator support. Now you'll notice we've already done our cut. Down below we cut that lower section of it off, and you'll notice here inside those are cage nuts and those are factory. So you'll measure from the center of that bolt down 1 inch, make your mark, and you'll cut that lower section off. Then you're able to take and mount your radiator support back here, right here on these little brackets. Once you get them secured, then we're going to go over here to the radiator. Now you can use your original radiator or an aftermarket, and this is the way it originally mounts. Here's your center bolt. There's another hole right here, you mount it, and down here. Now, in order to clear the steering box, which we don't have in here right now, is you're going to have to come down 1.25 inches. From the center of this hole, you'll want to drop down 1.25 inches. You want to make a mark. Come down about 1.25 inches. And you'll do that on this second one too. Come down 1.25 inches. Make your mark. Do that on both sides. You'll drill your hole. This lower one you're going to have to forget about. You won't be able to put a bolt in there because by the time you come down, you're right at the bottom. So what this allows you to do is you drill your holes. That raises your radiator up 1.25 inches, gives you your clearance for your steering box.